Hey guys, I'm Aryan and I'll help you onboard your G Suite to Clientell. And I hope you have received the Notion document which you are seeing on the screen. So let's just get right into it. The step one would be to log into your Google Cloud Console. Just click on this link, or you can just search the same here. Right, so we are into this Google Cloud Console. The step two suggests that we select a project and we create a new project. So let's just do that. We can You can see the step two is select a project. So we'll go and select a project and we can create a new project. So you can name the project as uh, Clientele. I'm naming it as Clientele 1 because one already exists. Organization will automatically be chosen as the your organization, and let's just create it. So as you can see, it is buffering, so it is in the process of creation. Having created the project, the subsequent steps suggest that we go to the home page and we go to the cloud view and dashboard, right? So we are at the home page, we go to the cloud overview and we click on dashboard. Now here we can select our project, which is Clientele 1. Usually if the past project is visible, we can select that as well. So now, having selected a project, we move on to selecting the APIs and services and going to the library. Here in the library, as you can see, this contains all the APIs that we need. Here we can search for Gmail, and here is the Gmail API. We can further go ahead and enable this Gmail API. Yeah, it's taking its while. And yes, we have enabled the Gmail API. So let's get back to the library and again search for calendar. Click on the Calendar API and enable it as well. So we have enabled the Gmail API and the calendar API. Now the step 11 is clicking on the OAuth consent screen, and let's follow steps 12.1 to 12.9. Here the OAuth consent screen, we have to select the user as internal, so user type as internal, then we click on create. Here the app name can again be put as Clientele. I'm putting it as Clientele 1. The user support, the email would be the very email we are onboarding, that is your email. Further, adding a developer contact information. As you can see, step 12.4, here I've listed this email. You can put this email. This is someone from the team and shall be available 24/7. So the first part of the process is done. Time for scopes. So now we have to click on add or remove scopes. Here we have to add four particular scopes which have been mentioned here. You can just go and copy these scopes from here and paste in this particular search bar and search for them and then just tick the checkbox. Now we have to repeat the same process for the subsequent URLs as well. Just click, and the third one, finally fourth one, and that's it. Click on update and then finally click on save and continue. This is the end of step 12. Save and continue. Right now, step 13 suggests that we click go to credentials. So this is the credentials. Here we go and create credentials and add, select OAuth client ID. Here the application type can be selected as web application. The client name can again be given as client. Here we have to add authorized redirect URLs. These URLs have been shared already in steps 15. So As you can see, these are the URLs. Just copy these URLs from here and paste them here. As you can see, I have highlighted the company name here. This implies this company name is supposed to be replaced by your company name. So since I am onboarding a company called tracktable.io, so I'll just put the company name here, tracktable. Put one because same reason. Now we can just copy another one, and so for example, if I'm uh, onboarding amazon.com, I'll just put the name Amazon here. So just put the name table, and that's it. You can create it. And as you can see, we are at the end of the process. If we just download this JSON, we can copy this JSON and share it with us via Slack or email. The onboarding concludes. Thank you.